Okay, good morning to all of you. Good afternoon. As per our today's first practical, modification of root and the stem, right? So here you are observing this chart. Here the mainly for the root system. So what is the root? So it is a non-green underground cylindrical descending axis of the plant body, and commonly we are calling as a positively geotropic, right? And it develops from the endogenous developed from the radical means first root, and which is developing into the later on branches with nodes, internodes, and it develop the stem and the leaves. We are knowing the function of the root. So in the function, it fixes or and gives the anchor to the plant through the soil, and it absorbs the water and the minerals. So there are two root system: tap root system and the adventitious root system. You are observing here the good colored photographs, right? So in these colored photographs you are observing taproot system. Good example is the raphanus, radish. मराठीत त्याला मुळा म्हणतो आपण. सेकंड, this form is the nepiform, right? So forms are, I think these are the next one. So in this modification, just you have to see the different conditions or the types are there. So here the taproot system is the main, and in the taproots this fusiform type, example radish. Nepiform type, good example is the beet, Beta vulgaris. I think you are knowing the beet. So it is a modification of this root. Then Daucus carota, carrot म्हणजे गाजर, it is a conical root. Then another type adventitious. In adventitious, root tuber. The example is hypomia. Hypomia म्हणजे आपण त्याला गारवेल म्हणतो. Then there is the nodulose. Nodulose म्हणजे कुर्कुमा ॲमेडा. हळकुंड माहिती असेल तुम्हाला. सो इट कम्स अंडर दिस कुर्कुमा ॲमोडा किंवा टर्मरिक इन इंग्लिश. देन फॅसिक्युलेटेड Broelia. This is a one plant. It shows the such type of roots. Then other types, moniliform in grasses. You observe the roots of grasses. So these are adventitious and they shows the moniliforms. Monili म्हणजे आपली लहान मुलींच्या गळ्यात जी माळ असते ना मोत्याची वगैरे, तर त्यासारख्या रूट्सला ट्यूबर्स मध्ये मध्ये बल्जिंग आलेलं असतं, त्याला मोनिलिफॉर्म म्हणतो. देन ॲन्युलेटेड रूट्स. This is the one, syphilis example. See the photograph of this one. Then nextly there is the modification. It shows the prop root system is there. Prop root system, that is the good example is our maize plant is there. Maize plant. In the maize plant, or this is the example, it shows the Ficus bengalensis. वडाचं झाड माहिती असेल तर त्यामध्ये अशा प्रकारचे प्रॉप रूट सिस्टम असतात. ब्रँचेसपासून खाली पेंडुलस लोंबकळत असतात, राईट. देन नेक्स्टली गुड एक्झाम्पल इज द पांड्यानस, केवडा पाहिला आहे प्रत्येकाने. सो इट इज देअर. अँड सेकंडली दीज आर कॉल्ड ॲज द स्टिल्ट रूट्स, म्हणजे एक्स्ट्रा रूट्स डेव्हलपिंग फ्रॉम द नोडल पोर्शन, त्याला स्टिल्ट म्हणायचं. किंवा गुड एक्झाम्पल इज आवर मेज प्लॅन्ट, जिया मेज, मका, मराठीमध्ये मका म्हणतो आपण. देन अदर लार्ज ट्रीज आर देअर, सो दे आर अबाव द सॉईल. इट इज कॉल्ड एज द बट्रेस रूट्स, म्हणजे लार्ज ट्रीज, टर्मिनालिया, हिरडा, बेडा किंवा अदर वडाच्या झाडाच्या पिंप फायकस रिलिजिओसा, पिंपळ तुम्ही पाहिले असेल, त्याचे बेसल पोर्शन जे ओल्ड ट्री असतात त्याच्या बेसला, त्याला बट्रेस रूट्स म्हणतात. सो ऑल दीज टाईप्स आर देअर इन द सम प्लॅन्ट्स. there are the respiratory roots are there, म्हणजे mangrove plant म्हणतो आपण. Mangrove plant मध्ये breathing roots are there, and these are called as the nematophores. आता why nematophores? So actually it is a part of ecology, because the plants grow in the muddy condition, म्हणजे ज्या ठिकाणी चिखल असतो तिथं. So generally this is an extra adaptive character. It develops the breathing roots. It develop the lenticels किंवा त्याला ब्रिदिंग पोर्स म्हणतात. सो ऑल दिस टाइप्स आर देअर हिअर. नंतर इन द root stem modification, so it is showing the modifications for the respiration, then for the storage. Nematophores already we have seen. Then modification of the roots, tuberous roots, fasciculated roots we have seen. Then there are some other examples are there. You are knowing about the underground stem modifications, Gingiva officinalis, right? So Gingiva officinalis, it shows ginger, right? So it having the buds are there, lateral buds, and these they develop into the new plant. I think in propagation you are also going to observe it. So त्याचे कटिंग्स लावले जातात. सो इट इज विथ द बड. देन secondly some examples are there. Other corm stem tuber is there. Tuber, good example is the potato, Solanum tuberosum, botanical names. On the potato also there are the eyes are there. आपण बघतो potato cultivation, propagation done by the pieces. त्याचा असा पीस केला जातो. So this is the one character, right? Then secondly there is having the there is the another part is there. It shows the tunicated bulbs are there. Tunicated म्हणजे it having the layers of these leaves are there, scales. These are commonly called as the scape किंवा tunic, and adventitious roots are at the base, right? So it is a example for the bulb is there, right? And lastly there is having the non-tunicated म्हणजे garlic म्हणजे लसूण, right? So it shows the many there are the tunica are there, क्लोज, त्याला पाकळी म्हणतो आपण, लसूण पाकळी, प्रत्येकाला हे असतं त्यामध्ये कोटिंग. सो इट ऑल्सो शोज द स्पेसिफिक एक्झाम्पल नॉन ट्युनिकेटेड. देन अदर टाइप्स आर देअर. रनर्स आर देअर. इन द रनर सब एरियल मॉडिफिकेशन्स, इट इज कॉल्ड एज ए सब एरियल. सो रनर गुड एक्झाम्पल सायनेडॉन, दुर्वा किंवा ऑक्झॅलिस, ते सांगतात. दुर्वा माहिती असतील, सायनेडॉन, डॅक्टिलॉन. सो गो थ्रू द डिस्क्रिप्शन हिअर. सो each having the bud is there, and from this new plant is developing. Second, stolon is there. Stolon चं character काय? So from the axillary first mother plant it grows this bud and develops a second plant. So it is called as a stolon. So and again roots are developing, म्हणजे जस्मिन किंवा पुदिना किंवा फर्न नेप्रोलेपिस हे त्याचे एक्झाम्पल आहे. Then here you are observing the suckers are there. So sucker is also same. Good example sucker शेवंती, chrysanthemum किंवा पुदिना. Pudina is also the good example. And one our example offset. Offset that is it is a runner type, but it is short. But seen in the aquatic plants. ज्या aquatic plant असतात त्यामध्ये, फॉर एक्झाम्पल इकॉर्निया किंवा पिस्टिया, राईट? पोल्युटेड वॉटर कंडिशनमध्ये ऑल दीज प्लांट्स आर फाउंड. तर हे एक्झाम्पल्स त्याच्यात लक्षात ठेवा. रिमेंबर द ऑल टाइप्स फॉर दिस वन. Then in aerial modification as a stem, so there are some they are developing part. So stem tendril is there. Tendril म्हणजे जे क्लाइंबर्स असतात त्याच्यामध्ये एक्स्ट्रा अटॅचमेंट पार्ट इज देअर. So it is the stem modification aerial for the root. So it develops the tendril, gives extra support. Thorn आपण spines बघतो. So spines are generally they shows the ear for the protection. So thorns are the hard pointed, then they are the modification of axillary bud, and it develop near to the flower or near to the leaf. बोगनवेलिया किंवा डुरेंटा गुड एक्झाम्पल्स. किंवा स्टेम टेंड्रिल आपण ह्याच्यामध्ये पाहतो, काकडी, भोपळा किंवा पॅशन फ्लावर, कृष्णकमळ वगैरे जे वेल असतात क्लाइंबर्समध्ये जास्त दिसतात. देन फायलोक्लॅड्स म्हणजे ऑपनशिया, निवडुंग माहिती असेल तुम्हाला. So it is a good example. Thick leaves and this is actually stem, but it develops into the thick part. नंतर क्लॅडोडचं गुड एक्झाम्पल इट इज द ॲस्पॅरॅगस म्हणजे शतावरीमध्ये त्याच्यामध्ये स्पाईन्स असतात आणि छोटे छोटे लिपी पोर्शन ते डेव्हलप इन द स्ट्रक्चर, त्याला क्लॅडोड म्हणायचं. म्हणजे इट इज ए लिमिटेड ग्रोथ ब्रँच and which is green in color, so functioning for the photosynthesis. So all these characters you remember this, and last ones are the bulbils are there. So bulbil is the character of certain plant, for example Dioscorea. The plantचं नाव Dioscorea आहे. ते प्लॅन्टवरती असे bulbils येतात. Actually it is vegetative propagating organ. It develops into the new plant after germination. So like this our today's practical is there. Then in this one second part is also there. We having the good charts are there. So you go through these charts, draw the diagram from this chart, right? So here you are observing mainly the taproot system, right, as per our syllabus. Then adventitious. So draw all these diagrams. Then fusiform root, we have seen the example. Then conical root example, carrot is there. Then nepiform, beet. Then this is diagram for the nematophores. So you sketch all these diagrams. We are sending the diagrams on your group. Then these are the some types. The fasciculated tuberous roots are there, right, and the prop roots are there, banyan tree. So you draw these diagrams, okay. Then climbing root is there, and the stilt roots are there. Then you see the rhizome, ginger. So how you have to sketch this diagram of the ginger. Then tuber, potato. Then it shows the tunicated bulbs are there. Onion. Then adventitious roots are there. Okay, so stem part is there and bud is inside this. आपण जो ओनियन कांदा बघतो तर त्यामध्ये आतमध्ये बड असतो, ॲक्झिलरी बड म्हणतात त्याला, राईट. अँड लास्ट पार्ट ऑफ दिस प्रॅक्टिकल इपिफायटिक रूट्स. इपिफायटिक म्हणजे ऑर्किड्स म्हणा किंवा दिस. सो दे डेव्हलप ऑन द ब्रँचेस ऑफ द ट्री. देन कसकुटा plant, I think you are knowing, which is showing the it enters the hosteria inside to the host plant, and through this it sucks the food material and it grows on the other plant. So Kaskuta is a good example. Then as per our last part, runner, you draw this diagram: runner, stolon, offset, ecornia. Examples are given in journal. Then sucker is there, shevanti. Then stem tendrils, you see how it develop the tendril from axial position. Axial position, that is the in between stem and the leaf petiole, and thorn. Spines are there. Eagle marvelous. Bell माहिती असेल, right? So there are the spines are there. Then cladode, शतावरी, and this is your phylloclad म्हणजे opuntia. So on opuntia plant, actually it is a stem, but it is modification. And lastly, there are the bulbils are there. So this is all for today's practical. You draw this diagram for the corn, Amaropophallus, किंवा आपण त्याला जरबेरा फ्लावर्स पाहिले असतील तर त्यामध्ये असे कॉम्स असतात, अँड इट्स डेव्हलप द बर्ड्स आर देअर, त्याच्यावरती अशा बर्ड्स असतात. So this is for all for the today's practical. Okay, today's first practical. So remaining part we will see in the next time. Okay, thanks to all.